Hello, staff. So I hope everyone's having a good day today. As many of you know, we just opened up a new office in Fiji. So I want to teach everyone about some etiquette of their country so you can kind of make sure that you are respecting them when you are there. So we're going to jump into, of course, like the first thing you're going to do is greetings. Now, with greetings, it's pretty simple. Most of the time, it's just going to be a normal handshake. They are usually, it's pretty much the same as us. Now, sometimes it can get a little complicated. It is noted that sometimes with lower class, they proceed to kind of just do a little nod. So not much else. They won't, some people aren't really well adapted to doing handshakes, so be wary. If they reach out their hand for a handshake, I would do a handshake, but sometimes they're not really adapted to that, so I would be wary of that. Secondly, we're going to talk about just some normal etiquette. When you're walking by them, you got to make sure you greet them. It's seen as very disrespectful if you walk by them and you don't wave or say hello. They tend to be very loose with time. They tend, there's a little thing that they have that's called island time. So I wouldn't really try to rush them or try to speed them up with things, especially if it's not like work related, because it may like feel disrespectful to them. And then lastly, we're going to talk about some general do's for their culture. Patience is always one thing. Again, like going back to my other point, you want to be patient with them. You don't want to rush them. It is always seen respectful to consider dressing in modest clothing. That's a little ambiguous. I don't really know exactly what they mean by that, but I'm guessing just wearing just normal clothes, not dressing too fancy. And lastly, to make sure that you respect their faith, if they do a blessing, it is also seen that you should join in with them. Even if like you don't believe in their religion or whatever they are practicing, it is nice to join in with them. Anyway, thank you for joining this call and learning a lot about these people and what they have to offer for us. I hope you have a good rest of your day.